Have we finally reached peak compact drone technology? Today we are getting hands-on with the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. And let me tell you, this thing is an absolute game changer for creators. Let's rip right into it. First off, DJI includes this sleek, premium shoulder bag that fits literally everything you need. Opening it up, the first thing we grab is the DJI RC2 Controller. If you are still using your phone to fly, you are missing out. This built-in high-brightness screen is incredibly crisp, making flying in direct sunlight an absolute breeze without draining your smartphone battery. Digging deeper into the combo, we get the classic accessories box. Inside, there are plenty of spare propellers. Because, let's be honest, we all make mistakes along with your standard cables. We also get the ND filter set, which is absolutely mandatory if you want that. Buttery, smooth cinematic motion, blur in your footage, and of course the multi-charging hub with extra intelligent flight batteries. So you don't have to pack up and go home after just 30 minutes. Now for the main event, the Mini 5 Pro itself. Taking it out of the wrapper, it is crazy to think how much tech they've crammed into a sub-249-gram body. We are talking next-level obstacle avoidance, insane camera sensors, and ridiculous range. Let's take the gimbal cover off, unfold these arms, and see this beast come to life. Listen to this.